Let's talk about AI side projects that are actually worth building. Not the hyped stuff, but small things you can finish this weekend. Here's the honest truth. The best first project solves a boring problem you personally have. That's it. Idea 1. A text summarizer for your own inbox or notes. You feed it messy text, it returns clean bullet points. Idea 2. A niche content generator. Captions, product descriptions, or study flashcards for one specific audience. Idea 3. A simple automation that watches a folder or a spreadsheet and does one repetitive task for you. Now here's your concrete first step. Pick Idea 1. Open a free tool like a no-code app builder or a Python notebook. Grab an AI API key. Then write the smallest possible version, an input box, a button, and one call to the model that returns a summary. That's your entire version 1. Don't add login, don't add payments, don't add a fancy design. Ship the ugly version, use it yourself for a week, and only then decide what to improve. This is how real builders learn, by finishing tiny things, not by planning huge ones. About money. Yes, some of these projects can eventually earn a bit, especially micro SaaS tools people pay a few dollars a month for. But there are no guarantees, and your first version probably won't make a cent. That's normal. You're building the skill first. Income is a possible side effect, not the point. So today, just do the one step. Build the summarizer, feed it real text, and watch it work. Then come back and tell me what you shipped. Subscribe if you want more honest, hands-on AI building. No hype, just stuff that actually works.